Hi everyone. Are you struggling to get sales on Amazon as an Amazon associate? Well, here's a plugin that you must get. It can help you increase sales and earn more income. The good news is it's one of the best Black Friday deals available now. For sure, it's one of the best ways to increase sales with this awesome Amazon plugin. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and get updates on the best Black Friday deals for your online business. It's called Emalinks Pro and it is a WordPress plugin. With this plugin, you can easily present products from Amazon in an aesthetic design and layout. The Emalinks Pro site has a demo page where you can see how their plugin works. They have a video showing you the different ways you can add Amazon product to your web page. For example, there is the text link, image link, CTA link, and showcase. The text link is the simple hyperlink you add to any text on your web page. The link will lead your potential customer to the Amazon product page. You can choose any image from that product page and show it on your web page too. This will be the image link. The CTA link helps you to create powerful CTA that can increase conversions. And then there is the showcase. I really like this link option. With the showcase, you can present the product almost like how it looks on Amazon. That is with images, product title, product description, pricing, and even whether the product is Prime eligible. And then there is the live Amazon affiliate comparison table. This is really cool. You can choose a few similar products and present it as a table. Potential customers can see different brands, product descriptions, pricing for each product, and again, whether it is Prime eligible. So, at a glance, your customer can compare and choose which product to buy. Emalinks Pro can help you save time. With just a few clicks, you can place an Amazon product on your web page and start promoting and selling. Watch the demo video to see how it is done. You can go to the link in the video description below. Click on it to watch the demo. With increased CTR, you can earn more money as an Amazon affiliate. Check out the case studies on the demo page. Again, go to the link in the video description and click on it to watch the demo. With the Emalinks Pro plugin, you can be sure that you are always Amazon compliant. Many people are worried about Amazon compliance issues. So what Emalinks Pro does is it pulls out images and details of a product direct from the API. The images and details are not stored on your server, and this is mandatory to keep you in full compliance. This year, Emalinks Pro will be offering at least 50% off discounts on all of their plan levels. And here's what the 50% off discounting pricing will look like starting on Black Friday. The biggest difference between this sale and all other sales is that you get to keep the discounted pricing for your renewal in 1 year. All other sales that Emalinks Pro run throughout the year, the renewal prices are always at the regular rate. Every entrepreneur wants more sales, and with Amalinks Pro, you can get more sales and revenue. Plus, you can get it at a big discounted price. So don't miss this. It happens only during Black Friday. If you miss it this time round, you have to wait for another whole year. That will be a whole year of losses in your business. So get the plugin today, yeah? At least go watch the demo. Go to the video description below and click on the link now. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.